Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. I am Chin Rodriguez, mamasigil siya ng affiliate also at reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin ano kayo sabihin ng ating mga gabay. So this is a special pasilip na para kay Mima Alicia. So agilapin natin na tuklasin natin maaring nasagap natin sa energy niya. So once again ito ipawag gabay lamang, no? Pang masilip yung mga bagay na posibleng mangyari or nangyari sa nakaraan natin nakarap. No, ito ay pawag gabay lamang, no? Para maiwasan yung mga bagay na hindi kaya-ayan, no? Maiwasan ng family niya at magsilbing gabay naman sa mga manonood natin, no? Ito ay gabay, pwede mangyari, pwedeng hindi mangyari, o pwedeng nangyari, at pwede ring hindi nangyari. No, ito ay gabay lamang. So guys, let's see. Hagilapin natin at tuklasin natin maaring masagap natin sa energy niya. So once again, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit for more videos update. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang mag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo nang dirigi-skip ng ads away pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik-liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang-balik sa inyo. So let's see. Now, what is the messages, advices ng ating angel spirit para sa ating tawag ito? Ating panauhin ngayon, na si Mima Alicia. Let's see. Nakagilapin natin ito at tuklasin natin yan. Let's watch this. Angels, let's give information. Okay, so there's something at 10 of cups. Now there's something in a Hierophant. Now there's a 10 of cups, something happiness. Now there's something a lesson learned. There's something happiness. Now there's a Hierophant for a lesson learned. So may mga bagay dito na parang natutunan with their families. So mayroong mga lessons or maaring pakakatandaan talaga dito. Now marami ding natutunan sa nangyari sa kanya. Let's see additional messages. And there's something a Knight of Wands. So there's something perseverance. So kailangan magtiyaga na magpatuloy lang sa ginagawa ng kanyang pamilya. No, kung naman yung bagay na naiiwan ni Mima, no, kailangan ipagpatuloy no ng family niya, no? Kumbaga kung may business 'yon, no, ganon. Let's see what is additional messages. And of course, represent with the Six of Wands. So there's a victory. So may mga bagay na maaring, kumbaga napagtagumpayan niya naman. Na may mga bagay na maaring nagdala sa kanya ng tagumpay. So let's see additional messages. And if there's something with the lovers, or meron daw dito about sa love life. So, meron bagay na maaring, kumbaga, mabubulabog, no? Tungkol dito sa the lovers. Ano yun? No? Relasyon, asawa, ganun. Now, there's a Page of Pentacles. There's something, an investment. No? Meron tungkol sa investment. No? Plan. So, meron tungkol sa investment, tungkol sa love life. Let's see what is the Ten of Cups. Now, there's a Six of Pentacles. Now, ibig sabihin dito, may matatanggap yung family niya with the Ten of Cups. So, may matatanggap yung family niya. Now, there's something, a big opportunities or there's something, a big money coming in. What is the Hierophant? Now, there's something Hierophant. Represent what? Hierophant. Angel Spirit. Let's get information. Represent, guys, with a Star card. There's something, a wish fulfillment. So, may mga bagay din na parang natutunan dito. May mga bagay na maaaring nasa katuparan din, no? Maraming pangarap, no, na maaaring nasa katuparan or natupad dito. What is the Knight of Wands? Now, there's something the Hangman. Ay, meron daw dito may ipit. Now, there's a stack. Now, there's a the Hangman in reverse na something na parang may delays and cancellations dito. May maka-cancel or maaaring may ditong parang may ipit sa situation. Let's see what is the Six of Wands. Sino kaya yan, guys? The Six of Wands surface with a full cards. No, masyado nagtiwala. No, napagtagumpayan daw na nagtiwala siya. So, yun yun. No, nagtiwala siya. What is the lovers? Ano tong the lovers na to? Represent with the Three of Cups. Third party. So, meron about sa relasyon na may related sa third parties. Or about sa, di porke third party, ibig sabihin love affair ha. May third party like a friend. No, there's something, a mutual friend. Ganon, ha? Now, let's see what is the Page of Pentacles. Represent, guys, with the Queen of Cups. Now, there's an emotional intelligence. Mayroon makukuha yung mother niya, yung investment. No, may makukuha pera dito about sa investment. No, about, there's a mother figure ako na sense. With the Ten of Cups and the Six of Pentacles. Represent with the Knight of Wands. So, unti-unti talaga. No, kumbaga, unti-unting magiging maganda ang situation ng family niya dito, guys. Maraming support. Let's see. There's a Seven of Wands. So, there's something protected. So, maaring protected yung family niya na. No? At the same time, no? Talagang pinrotectionan niya yung family niya. No? Talagang, nagkaroon siya ng security pagdating sa finances. So, talagang sinecure niya yung family niya, no? Na maging magandang sitwasyon. No? Alam, kahit ano naman yung bagay na maaring mangyayari or nangyari sa kanya, napaghandaan niya na rin yun. No? Hindi lang in-expect yung ganong eksena, pero pagdating sa security na about sa finances, no? Kumbaga, handa siya doon. There's something at so it's something decision. So, meron dito para nagkakaroon ng difficult decision. Itong may ipit na to para nagkakaroon ng alinlangan, no? Or naalanganin na. Now, there's a King of Wands. So, there's a vision. May hinala na. Now, there's a vision. May hinala na, may instinct na. There's a Three of Pentacles. Etong eksena daw na nangyari sa kanya ay may kaugnayan about sa relasyon. Now, about sa relasyon na may eksena about sa mutual friend, a friend, there's a Three of Pentacles for collaboration. Merong communication. No, meron siya mga nakahalubilo, no, na maaring there's a mutual friend. No, there's something a Knight of Swords. No, bumapasok talaga sa panaginip no ng mother niya si Alicia. So binibigyan talaga siya ng pahiwatig, no? What is additional messages? There's a Eight of Pentacles. No? There's a Eight of Pentacles about sa negosyo. May negosyo dito, guys. May negosyo. Or investment, no? Now, there's a Four of Wands by celebration coming in. May celebration daw dito. Now, maraming celebration maaring dumating. There's a demonic. May syndicate talaga, guys. No? Kasi there's a demonic, very demonic daw, no? Ito tong eksena to ay maaaring, itong nahuli, di ba? Naguguluhan, no? Kung magsasalita ba o hindi. No? There's a possibility na hindi siya mag-talk. No? And there's something a Chariot card for action movement, no? There's something in changes in development dito sa situation. No, there's something a look at the meron ng hinala, meron ng instinct kung sino to. No, kina-clarify lang dito sa mismong manahuli. But definitely hindi sila magsasalita kasi natatakot sila, no? Now, let's see. There's something a Sun card. The truth comes out. Pero lilitaw pa rin ang katotohanan sa likod dito. Kasi may mga information na maaring malagap dito. Lalo-lalo na sa mga komunikasyon. No, there's a transaction. What is additional messages for the outcome? So there's a news, may balita. No, may balita daw dito na darating sa mother ni Mima, no? So let's see. Na about dun sa sa nahuli, and of course, like said, malalaman ba kung sino yung mastermind something? No, sa kanyang pagkamatay? There's a yes. Now there's a 9 and 10. Now there's a 10 of Pentacles for something yes. The Nine of Cups, there's something yes. So, there's a fulfillment. Mapufulfill. Malalaman. Malalaman kung sino yung mastermind. Kung sino may pakana ng no? Let's see. About naman dun, anong gusto sabihin ni Mima, no? Sa kanyang mga followers, sa fans, and of course, sa kanyang magulang. Family. Naipit siya sa situation, guys. No? Naipit siya. Na parang na-corner. Ganon. And there's a thing to one, so there's a choices. Wala siyang choice. No? And there's something it's temperate. Na parang may paalala na sa kanya, there's a divine intervention. Pinaalalahanan na siya eh. Pero nag-go talaga siya, or parang, kumbaga, hindi siya nag-pay attention doon. Yun yung gusto niya sabihin. About, naman sa family, yung gusto niya sabihin about sa family, guys. Now, there's a Knight of Cups. There's something apology. So, humingi siya ng tawad sa kanyang ina. Now, there's a Two of Cups about the partnership. May a partnership talaga. So, may matutukoy about sa partnership. No, kung hindi to sa relasyon, about sa partnership, about sa investment. Now, there's something a Six of Cups. About sa friend. There's something a next. Now, there's a next. Six of Cups, something familiarity. No, merong mga tinutukoy dito about sa Six of Cups. Six of Cups, there's a familiarity, there's an ex, or there's something a mutual friend, or there's a friend of yours. No, meron about sa kaibigan, about sa partnership. Let's see additional messages. Ano pa yung dapat malaman? There's a revelation. Marireveal daw to. No? There's a King of Cups. May revelation daw na malalaman tungkol sa isang lalaki. May lalaki na mabubulabog dito tungkol sa eksena na to. Now, let's see. Gusto ko i-clarify. Now, there's something a King of Swords. Lalaki talaga, no? Na maaring, kumbaga, pumutol na, parang pinutol yung eksena niya. No? Stop the pattern. Parang ganun. Pinutol na siya para hindi na siya, kumbaga, makapagsalita pa or talagang pinutol na yung eksena niya, ganon. Ganun yung nangyari, guys. Let's see, additional messages pa. Na maaaring masagap pa natin sa energy niya. Ano yung gusto niya sabihin sa kanyang family regarding, and of course, yung anak niya, ano gusto niya sabihin, no? There's a Six of Swords, there's something a transition, no? Na talagang, no, parang, kaya pinadali din na at the same time, parang paalisin dito para hindi na maano yung mother niya, no, yung family niya na umupunta dito. There's a window for sure with something good luck. Magiging maganda raw ang kapalaran ng family niya. There's a lot of opportunities daw. No, there's a many options, there's a lot of opportunities daw na darating. No, saring ano daw to, oportunidad na maaaring darating sa family. Support, no? Tulong. Let's see what is additional messages now. What is the chakra messages? For the chakra messages, there's an insecurity. Meron talaga dito, guys, na parang nasobrahan sa inggit, no? Now, there's a demonic, nakita mo yan daw, there's a demonic, no? Na parang hindi kinaya nung inggit at galit din, no? With the other side. Let's see what is additional messages with the what lies beneath. With a hidden future. Oh, okay. Hi, the situation about to explode. Ay, talagang ano na siya, guys. No, grabe. This situation is about to explode. There is something, a trash. No, talagang, ano siya, no, talagang binasura, something like that na parang, ginanon, no, parang, yun nga, alam niyo na yung gusto ko sabihin. Now, there's an envy. Na may insecure. So, meron talaga ditong ego and pride. Now, there's an insecure. Talaga sila, there's an insecurity. So, meron talaga inggit talaga. Now, may lalaking sobrang inggit. Grabe, pasabog. So, guys, once again, ito ay pawang gabay lamang upang masilip yung mga bagay na nangyari from the past at maaaring mangyari sa kasalukuyan upang magbigay gabay. Now, once again, ito ay gabay lamang. Now, pwedeng nangyari o pwedeng hindi nangyari o pwedeng mangyari at pwedeng hindi na mangyari. So, guys, once again, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and click the bell for more videos update. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sabog support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo nang dinig-skip ng ads, so pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksikiliglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. Maraming salamat, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.